Hey everybody, THG back with you again, and today I am out here doing some site maintenance on a campsite, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you a new product that I was recently informed about. Actually, the founder of the company hit me up on Instagram and told me about it. It's called Broth, and it's all natural broth. This one's the beef and vegetable, but you can see, you can pause to read there. There's nothing that you can't pronounce in here. So I'm going to try it today for the first time. I'm making my, boiling my water right now. I'm going to try it out, and I will let you know what I think of it when we come back. So I'm using alcohol stove today because it's a nice day. It's not too cold. And I got my little Trangia pot and my bush box. Name drop my bush box thing for the alcohol stove, and my table. Really happy. This is a very lightweight setup and perfect for what I wanted to do with it today. Alright, so we got a boil going. That's a pretty boil. So this is what the broth looks like, and we're just gonna... So this is a sipping broth, and one of the reasons, besides the fact that it's all natural, one of the reasons I wanted to try it is because you can use it for when you're low on electrolytes or you're low on collagen. It's a good source of collagen. It's a good source to rejuvenate you after a long hike. So, and I use it because of intermittent fasting. It's a good thing to use for intermittent fasting. So I'm going to try this now, and let's see how it tastes. Okay, let's give it a try. It's actually very good. I thought it would be salty, but it's not. It's actually, it tastes like what you think it would, beef and vegetable broth. So I was telling my friends here that it'd be good to add to like a beef ramen, and so you can get that really beef flavor in it. But yeah, I like it. It's really hot though. So yeah, I recommend it. 10 out of 10, Broth. I'll leave a link in the description below.